All right, if you want to use your phone as a second camera and the Epic Cam app is not working for you for one reason or another, it's a simple solution. What you're going to do is plug this into your phone. You are then going to plug the USB side into your laptop, just like always. The first time you do this, you'll probably have to trust the device. Then in Zoom, what you are going to do is when you go to share your screen, you're going to see at the top, you've got your screen, you've got your whiteboard. Right to the right of that whiteboard, you've got something called iPhone, iPad. When you click on that and you click share, the first time you do this, you'll probably have to install a little, I forgot what it's called, but a little program. And once you install it onto your laptop, then it'll be fine. It takes 2 seconds. But what you're going to do on your phone, once it's installed, you're going to turn your phone on. You can swipe up or swipe down, depends on what year your phone is. That screen mirroring, you're going to click on that screen mirroring. It's going to say, is this Zoom B Squires yours? I'm going to say, yes, that's the one. You'll notice automatically right on here, I'm sharing my phone. On my phone, I'm just going to click it to the camera. And now my phone on the screen is that second camera to where I can look in, look far away, or around. When I'm done sharing it, just like before, you're going to just go up and stop that share, and then you're done. So that's an easy way. If the Epic Cam app is crashing on you, just plug it in and just use the screen mirroring right from your phone right through Zoom, and that should solve your problem. Okay, hope this helps.